Hello, I'm David Arnold.
I'm the president.
The president of the Gospel Songbirds in Dalton. And just say out to you all.
I've been singing a long time, and I'm so happy to sing with this group.
And let's do one more thing. I want to put my hand around here, right here, because this is the pioneer himself. This is one of the Bond brothers, original Bond brothers of Dalton, Georgia. He still sings like he's about 25.
Amen. Well.
My name is D. James Martin Robbs, whichever one they want to call me. I enjoy all the time. We're all friendly with one another. We can carry on with one another, not get mad. I just like I said, I've been singing for maybe about 29 years. I just enjoy it.
I'm George Walker, and I'm the bass player. I've been with the group 2 years, and it's just been a learning experience. It's been a blessing.
They call me Catfish, but I've been singing for most of my life. And I'm the vice president of the Gospel Songbirds, and I appreciate singing with the Songbirds. Hopefully we can go higher and higher.
My name is James Austin. I belong to Community Friendship, and I'm one of the Gospel Songbirds.
I've been around gospel singing all my life, even note singing back in the 40s, not 40s, but the 50s at least. And I enjoy singing with these group guys because they really believe in what they're doing. And we hope that we can continue to grow and prosper in the name of the Lord.
Want to have to
trying to be professional get in the way, you know, because we know each member, one of us brings a certain thing to the table, and at the end of the day, we help each other out. You know? So that's basically what holds us together. It's hard for African American men to work together and not should cut and choose.
Enjoy the group. I enjoy just look back I had with certain ones of them, but I thank God for the placement in my life at this point, simply because there was other places I could have been. But thank you to God and Savior, I'm here. I appreciate it. And our church is Mount Grace Baptist Church. And the group that I'm in right now is the Gospel Songbirds. And we're all on one accord and just praising God to His highest. Thank you. And I can pray together because we want a program where everybody was singing individual songs, and that just seemed to be too much. And I didn't just brought forth, let's just sing them all together. And from that night on, something happened because we never broke up after that night. We were supposed to sing that one night, y'all remember. Everybody had an individual piece that they were going to do, and we put them all together. Tricia, myself, and you know, there was probably, how many of us told?